Yay, first video, it's on Tyran.io. Fun game. It's fun. Yeah. Got it. Close that door. No, not that one. I want to close. Oh my god, bro. Let's get these out of the way. Ooh, yeah, I got P90. That will be good. Let me get that knife so I can break stuff easier. Oh, that's a guy right there. Yeah, I can probably mess with him. I got a P90, so oh, okay. Okay, he's out. There's a guy right up here that's gonna try and kill me, so I'm gonna get killed by him. Although, to be fair, I took damage before him, although I should have won that. Okay, knife straight forward. Yeah, not gonna challenge him. Nope. Yes, okay, this is gonna save my butt. Oh, he did a bit of damage to me. And, okay, we got him. Oh my god, why is everyone going for me? I need heals, bad. But no one has heals. I need them, like, now. And no one has any. I'll take that ammo, though. Yeah, it does. Oh, yeah. No heals, bro! Okay, I'm gonna have to mount you. Okay. Okay, we need to get through there and get back. Alright, I'm gonna get the one time. Yes. And I'm gonna need to. Okay. Oh, shit. Okay, he stole the heals, dude. Uh-oh. Okay, here. I need to play this, like, safely. Uh-oh, I ran out of ammo. Yeah, I don't think I could have won that if I did anything else, no. Yeah, I had no heals. Oh, wow, I spawned right next to heals the very next game. I got a P92. Heals, P90. Alright, heals. I'm getting barraged with heals this game. No, I'm gonna replace my P90 for an AUG, because AUG is honestly one of the better guns in the game. I'm not saying P90 is bad, just AUG might be better in some circumstances. I really want to get in there. I don't got a key card though. Ooh, yeah, I'm definitely taking machete. I said machete. I think it does more damage, as a higher fire rate. That guy stood literally no chance. And I got a gun to switch to in case I run out of ammo if I'm in a fight, so that'd be important. Okay, where is anyone? Oh, right here. Oh my god. Oh yeah, I got a bigger scope now. And I'm gonna pick up that shotgun. Got him. Okay. I feel like I'm set to win this game. Oh yeah, easy. Amazing. Okay, let's see here. Oh, yo. Shit! I'm gonna come in here and pray to God that these chefs give me a gun. They gave me heals only, bro! I don't think I've ever gotten that. Heals only out of those chests. And someone is gonna come in here, bro. Is this house like this house is heals only, bro. That was heal central. I need something that hasn't been looted or a gun on the ground. Look at that, a gun on the ground. Okay, here, come here. Where'd you go? I'm gonna find you and I'm gonna murder you. Got some ammo. Basically no ammo though. Yep. Yeah, got it. Okay, there we go. I need a video. Yes. I want a freaking Discord call. Pick up that spear. What? Yeah, my friend keeps, like, saying hi to me. I don't know if you can hear him or not. Probably can. Shut up, CJ! I swear to God, shut up. Oh yeah, go subscribe to him at Corey Johnson. He makes good videos. I'm terrible. I make the worst videos. Oh yeah, I want the knife. Okay, there's 3 guys left. I don't know where, oh, there's one. What? I swear to God, I sat there. I mean, I'm not complaining I won the game. I'm just confused as to why I won that. Like, it said 3 guys left, and then I killed one, and I won. And I don't remember anyone else killing each other, so I'm confused. Ooh, yeah, body armor? Yeah, I haven't had that over the past games, and that's gonna help. What? I'm not. I'm not. I swear to God, this dude thinks I'm playing Fortnite. I'm not. Oh, by the way, I got a key card. Yeah, I will need that. Key cards are one of the most important things in this game, because they give you access to the good weapons. You can use that to get in here. And then you can get all these good weapons out of these star crates. Or you can just be like that. You better not. What? What? Why is everyone surrounding me, bro? Okay. Now run like the wind and not die. This guy is shotgun spamming, and no one likes shotgun spammers. That was a close as heck game. Alright, I think this is gonna be my last game. Oh, wow, okay. Okay, I might be able to kill this guy. If he doesn't, he landed more shot. If I didn't miss my shotgun shot, I would have killed him. Okay, this is my last game, because that game was super short. Didn't even, count its game. That might be the same guy. Really? You're gonna give me heals? I need weapons. Please. Ammo out there, and I'm gonna grab that after I get more heals that I don't need. This tent is gonna either give me heals or give me... Yes! There you go. This is why I love the tents in this game. And I'm gonna replace this FAMAS that I just got because AR is better. Yeah, you're not gonna heal, buddy. I'm gonna grab that and get confused why that did that. Okay, I think, yeah, I'm in the... Okay, I think I can get this stuff right here. Okay, what is this? Shotgun? Alright, I need this. Shotgun is really good. It's pretty important. I mean, you can easily win without it, but when you have it, it's, nice to have. Oh. Well, that's nice. Okay, let me heal up. How did... He didn't come for me, which would have been an easy kill. Well, now he's just dead. What was that guy's point? Oh! He has that... Okay, I still killed him though. This T-Rex must have been, extremely low. Because that was, a cheap kill. Anyways, yeah, that's the end of the video. First video of my channel. Hope it was good.